Hello my dear viewers and welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel. Today is the big day. We will travel back home to La Palma. Now it's 10 o'clock. It is a Thursday the 29th, I think. And yeah, this morning we had a little surprise. There was a lot of water coming out from the roof in the bathroom. And yeah, that can happen. Maybe in all hotels, all accommodations, everything was perfect. Here a little incident. All right, now we will pack everything, our luggage, and then we will go down to the shuttle service, and then we will go to the airport. And yes, then we will see the procedure, security check, a little bit waiting, and then hopefully we can get into the plane and fly safely through La Palma.
Estado desordenadores portátiles y dispositivos electrónicos más grandes se registran para su guardado.
Du musst erstmal abbremsen. Müsste gut werden. Hast du das gehört? Wie wir rasen. Tausend km/h. Ah, und rum. Ja, schnell rum. Was? Wow, ist das cool. Ja, meine ich. Oh, da hat er auch noch schöne Kleider. Schöne Koffer.
My dear viewers, we made it back to La Palma. It was a very good flight. We are here 1 hour later, but that doesn't matter. And yeah, now it's evening, about 7:30, and now we go home and we make a quiet evening. I think we have a lot to tell at home, and yeah, now our trip is really over. The most important thing is that we are here back again, healthy, and everything was safe. And yeah, that's it. Now we have a lot of footage and pictures and memories from our Ireland trip. All right, so yeah, we will see us soon in another video here from La Palma. And I wish you all the very best. I say thank you very much for your kind comments, and stay healthy, take care. See you in the next video. Goodbye.